Good Thursday morning, folks. I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hopman with today's edition of your weather vlog. I'm still amazed sometimes how much can change in 24 hours. Yesterday at 9:30, temperatures were sitting right around the upper 40s, low 50s across our viewing area. We were getting ready for some light rain to move on out of the viewing area. Now this morning, we fast forward 24 hours, the same exact time period. We're about 30 degrees cooler throughout the entire region. 21 degrees here in Lafayette right now. Winds pretty gusty as well. Winds are sustained from the west at 14 miles per hour right now, making that wind chill feel more like 8 degrees than the 21 it actually is. And on top of that, we're also looking at some scattered and isolated snow flurries out there this morning. Now, accumulations aren't expected to be much more than a trace, maybe 2 to 3/10 of an inch by the end of the day, but the flurries will continue throughout the afternoon, maybe on into the evening hours, but it's likely that they will begin to end during the afternoon hours. So temperatures sitting right around the low 20s now, and we're not going to see that temperature fluctuate a whole lot throughout the remainder of the day today. Those temperatures will remain right around the mid to low 20s, pretty much area-wide throughout the remainder of this afternoon. That is because of all that cloud cover today. We're still catching a lot of atmospheric moisture, upper atmospheric moisture as of now, and that's what's keeping things so cloudy around that region as that very potent cold front continues to move eastward throughout the remainder of the day. That's what produced those large wind gusts across our viewing area early yesterday morning and produced quite a few large storms in the southeast yesterday afternoon. Now that that's off to the east, we have this high pressure system that's going to be moving off of the Great Plains over the next 24 hours here, and as it does that, it is going to keep things cool and continue to drop temperatures across our region. So we're going to reach those mid to upper 20s later this afternoon, but as we get into the overnight hours, temperatures will plummet back down into the low single digits. Throughout the entire viewing area, we are looking at overnight lows in the single digits. And the worst part about that is those wind gusts up near 30 miles per hour that we're going to be seeing during the afternoon, keeping wind chills right around zero. We'll be dropping wind chills down to near negative 15 degrees overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. So if you are headed out to work or school tomorrow morning, you are going to want to bundle up and be safe because it is going to be downright frigid as you step out the door tomorrow morning. Temperatures during the afternoon tomorrow sitting right around the mid to upper teens across the viewing area. In fact, we're actually going to be seeing another interesting situation with temperatures during the afternoon slightly cooler than that of those during the overnight hours Friday night into Saturday morning. What we're actually looking at is those middle to upper teens as high pressure keeps things clear and very cool across our region for tomorrow. But a low pressure system will move in from the Great Plains. That will bring a warm front along with it, and once that warm front begins to move on in, temperatures will begin to rise. In fact, we're going to be hitting the low 30s by Saturday afternoon, but that same low pressure system will actually produce some light snow as well. We can actually be seeing accumulations this time around for Saturday right around a half an inch, maybe even slightly more than that, but right now we're keeping our numbers to about a half an inch for Saturday, and then we dry out once again for Sunday. Temperatures stay right around the 30s for Sunday, and we're even talking about making it up into the 40s for Monday as high pressure moves in from the west for Sunday, dropping temperatures a degree or two cooler. 30 degrees will be your high temperature that day, but as that high moves eastward, it's going to produce southerly winds, and that's going to help boost temperatures to around 42 for the beginning of your work week next week. So Monday, partly cloudy, 42, not so bad, but don't get excited because we're not headed back towards the 60s like we were about 36 hours ago. We are going to be seeing temperatures drop right back down to the mid-30s again as another low moves in, drives a cold front across our viewing area. We'll hit 35 degrees for Tuesday with a wintry mix, and then only warm up to around 36 degrees for Wednesday afternoon with mostly sunny skies as another high moves in following that low pressure system. So what continues to be the main story today will be the winds, the cold weather, and especially those overnight lows and wind chills getting down to negative 15. Once again, just please be safe overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. If you have to be outside, just bundle up, and if you don't have to be outside, try to avoid being outside as much as you can over the next 24 hours because we are looking at very, very cool conditions. If you have any questions about the forecast, feel free to email Chad, Jesse, and I at weatherteam18@wlfi.com. You can follow us on Twitter at weatherteam18, and my personal email address is cameron.hotman@wlfi.com. Until tomorrow, folks, I'm News 18 meteorologist Cam Hotman, signing off.